So I had my shop recommend this 3C chemical cleaner because my car over time has been losing power, gas mileage, and generally performance was terrible. So I thought I'd take a chance. I had it cleaned, and wow, what an immediate difference. Once it was cleaned, I'm leaving the parking lot. First thing I noticed was an incredible increase in power. The transmission shifted better than it has in years. And the interesting part is daily driving, when I get on the highway, I had to pick my spot, leave 3 to 4 car lengths before I could merge with traffic because the thing was just a dog, had no power. Well, that's all over now. I step on the gas, this goes. The other thing I noticed right away is I got a 3.3 mile per gallon increase. So I had to get out my calculator, figured it out. That's 15% increase. That was immediate. That wasn't after driving it for a week or days. I have a digital monitor on the dashboard that shows gas mileage, and the mileage went up 3.3 miles a gallon. Regardless of that, the power, just pulling out of the parking lot every day, I don't have to wait for an opening in traffic. I just go. You step on the gas, it goes. This was a seat of the pants, immediate change. The other thing I'll add is my wife usually doesn't drive this vehicle. She took it out the other day and she called me, and all she said was, wow, what a difference. It works. It was simple. I had it cleaned and it was an immediate difference. And that's all I can say.